Seaview Gardens is a peaceful community.
I love Seaview Gardens because it was my first home. Once there's a burning at Riverton, we actually feel the effect of it.
When the smoke from Riverton come over on us, all the curtain in the house black.
A lot of persons have complained that they have asthma issues and other respiratory illnesses.
Sometimes we cannot breathe, especially when night come. You're on your veranda, you smell the whole place. So this place is killing us.
When you breathe in, my nose burn me. Sometimes it smell like them a burn tire, them a burn dead dog at the same time. Coming like it rest on my stomach. Sometimes I have to go drink some water or buy a Wrigley's and chew it, forget the smell off of my stomach. I look like I swallow the smell.
The government need to step in and get this place clean up.
So me have my granddaughter and my aunt, so we can't make sure I grow up in a them smell, yeah?